as you can tell, this is not the KTM. We finally got Hannah a bike. I found a great deal on Facebook Marketplace Friday night. They answered me back when we left Saturday to go pick it up. About a 2.5 hour drive down to Granitesville, right outside of Aiken, South Carolina. And so we picked this thing up. It is a 2022 CF Moto Papio. It's like a Grom, but it's a 125 6-speed. It's not a 5-speed, 6-speed. So this is what Hannah's going to learn to ride on, and we are taking it to Justin's because he has a bigger grass field than I do because I live in a neighborhood. This thing's pretty sweet. It's got pro taper bars, an aftermarket brake lever, and then I think it's like a Amazon slip-on muffler. This thing only had 667 miles on it when I got it, so it's still pretty much brand new. Guy bought it for his daughter. She was hoping to want to ride, but she realized it really wasn't for her. So they posted it up and we went and got it. KTM's still at the shop. It's going on 3 weeks now. But now that we got this, I really don't care how long it takes, because I'll ride shit out of this thing. But yeah, we've been looking for a Grom for a little while, and the used price versus the new price, I mean, used they're going for about $3 to $35, and new on the showroom they're $35.99, so you're probably about $45 out the door. And these, I think he told me brand new out the door with tax tag and everything was $3,500. And we picked this one up with 670 miles for $1,500. I think I might just buy me a Grom so I can ride with her, because this is fun as fuck. Get to Justin's and I'll get some video of her trying to ride it. Who better go? Doing really good. come back, try and stop.
What do you say?
When you come back, I was gonna say when you come back, try and stop.
I didn't hear what you said.
Okay, well when you go to stop, make sure you pull this in.
Oh.
No,
Okay.
it won't do that.
I didn't know.
Okay. Okay, you're doing good. Pull the clutch back in, start it. The big ass. About dropped it.
Alright, Aaron will drop it for us.
You gotta pull in the clutch, baby.
Huh?
You gotta pull in the clutch.
I did.
Oh, well, it sounded like it stalled out on me.
I pulled it in both.
Don't worry about that one.
Don't
If you
worry.
pull in the clutch, you'll just gradually stop.
Oh.
Until you need to hit that.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll let Aaron ride.
You wanna go ride at the same time?
No.
Okay. So what do you think so far?
I like it.
You gonna start your own YouTube channel?
Maybe.
Called Midget Rides? So Hannah did pretty good riding it. I think she's gonna enjoy the shit out of it. And I don't think it'll be too very long before she's out riding on the road with us. And you get some new grips because these ones suck ass. And get her a new clutch lever. If y'all like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.